In this video, I'm going to show you how you can summarize YouTube video using Gemini easily, okay? As usual in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, let's say I want to summarize one of these videos. What do? I want you to follow every step here so you don't make any mistake, okay? Now, watch how I'm doing it. The first thing that you want to do is to check the video. Click on the three dots there. Then you will see every detail here, but click it back, then click on the video. Okay, the video will play. Just pause it. After pausing that video, just want the summary. Now you will click on the star icon or symbol to the right side of the video. Then you will see this place for summarize the video. Just tap on it. Then you will see the summary. You can ask anything. The AI feature will give you options here. Maybe you can search the success rules and you will get everything related to that video without even watching it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. As usual, if you found value in this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.